Here are the best 3 pre-sale coins to buy with 100x potential. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. Today we're taking a look at 3 pre-sale gems that have upwards of 100x potential. Let's jump right into the list. As you can see, guys, meme coin pre-sale trends are going wild, raising up almost $150 million. Some of these gems literally are taking over the internet, and this market, it's looking like the best way to make a bag is to investing in these pre-sale gems. Today we're going to be taking a look at 3. I'm going to link them all below. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. Starting off, guys, the crypto market is looking good today. We're up 2% on the overall market, and we're seeing some green back on Bitcoin. We're seeing green almost back in ETH, but we are seeing some green across the board. We're recovering from last week, and as we enter next week, guys, with 15 days away from the halvening, we expect a lot of bullish things to be happening within the crypto market. Let's go take a look at some of these popular pre-sale gems, guys, because literally the market's taken over. The proof is in the pudding. Some of these pre-sale coins are raising over $150 million. If you get in early, that's how you make your bag. The first coin on this list is Fifthscape. So this is like a VR, AR type cryptocurrency that you're not going to want to miss out. The gateway to the next big thing of the decade, the world's first AR and VR ecosystem that connects the smartest minds together. And it looks like they got VR gaming, VR movies, VR education, and VR devices. If you know me, I'm super big in VR, and I think VR has a massive potential. Facebook is literally pouring billions, if not billions and billions of dollars into the development of VR and bringing it to the mainstream audience. And with the crypto trending right now and VR potentially to be the future, we anticipate a lot of bullish momentum for AR and VR. Buy Fifthscape token, and we can see the people are buying in. There's about 4 days till launch, guys, and they already raised $4 million with very close to their target of $5 million. Again, we're getting in massively early, guys, and the money you're gonna make is when you get into these gems early. So what is Fifthscape, guys? Beyond boundaries, virtual infinity, unlock the limitless potential with virtual realm of Fifthscape. Fivescape is a ticker symbol where immersion experience refine boundaries and shapes the future of entertainment and education. Experience hyper-realistic games, world of virtual reality, dive into diverse array of gaming experiences from adrenaline-pumping battles to precision archery, high-speed racing, and immersive sports. So it looks like they're gonna put like some AAA type games. We can see this one's on the Vision Pro and the Meta Quest. I literally have a Meta Quest. I don't have it here right now, but this is pretty cool that they're mixing VR and crypto together. Enter the realm of heightened experience. Having the VR and crypto mixed together, guys, is gonna be pretty bullish. Seamlessly integrated into VR experiences. Token rewards far beyond traditional staking. So staggered growth as virtual reality refines entertainment. Seize the opportunity for substantial appreciation, propelling your investments to new heights. Lifetime free access. As a cherished holder of Fivescape, enjoy lifetime complimentary access to curated selection of captivating VR content with Fifthscape. This is awesome, again, because I'm already a VR user, so that means if I get into this pre-sale, I get access to a bunch of these titles, which are pretty dope. And then exclusive in-game advantages, gaining a competitive edge with Fivescape, unlocking special features and goods. So again, if you're competitive, you're gonna have that competitive advantage as you're gonna unlock some special tiers for being early. Early access and community interaction. Enjoy exclusive early access of cutting-edge VR content. Seizing the future firsthand. Dive into our vibrant community, connecting with fellow enthusiasts. This one has a ton of potential, guys. We can see 80% is allocated towards a pre-sale, 10% to liquidity, and 10% to treasury. Looking pretty solid, and we can see the actual token allocations. And looks like they got an airdrop in treasury as well, which is pretty dope. Participate in some incredible, looks like real-life events as well, which is awesome. And the team looks like it's stocks as well. All things we like to see in a cryptocurrency. Now, let's jump to the next coin on the list. And that is Doge20, guys. This coin is taking the internet by storm. We're seeing so many influencers cover this one because there's some potential here. They're already growing rapidly fast, 13,000 followers on Twitter. And here's your last chance to get into Doge20. Act now and grab some Doge20 before it's too late. Ensure you don't overlook this opportunity and join the vibrant, interactive meme coin community. Experience the rise of Doge20's value with staking integration on Ethereum, maximizing rewards for holders. So not only are you going to buy into this gem really early and make a bag, but you also have opportunity to stake it to even make more money, start earning passive money on your investment. They're launching in 15 days on Doge Day. Again, timing very close to Bitcoin halvening, and we know that's going to have a massive effect on the overall crypto market. Our Doge just got more rewarding. Prepare for the ultimate Doge upgrade. We're sending Elon's fave towards a more sustainable future. Stake Doge20 today to start earning eco-friendly rewards. They got good boy staking, utilizing smart contracts powered by Ethereum. Doge20, again, it's more than a meme coin. It wants to bring passive income earning potential to the community. Convenient wallet, no more inflation. It's not like an unlimited supply, it's a fixed supply, unlike the popular Dogecoin, right? Which is pretty dope. Featuring a ton of articles, a solid roadmap, which we covered in detail on the past, and solid tokenomics as well. 25% of the supply going towards the pre-sale, which is dope to see. And they've already raised over $10 $10 million. If I'm not mistaken, they actually raised over $12 million, which is totally insane. This is launched in 15 days. This one definitely has the potential to take the internet by storm. We're seeing Dogecoin specifically be super popular this bull run, even last bull run. You're not going to want to miss your opportunity on buying a bag of Doge 20. The next pre-sale gem on the list is Salana. The Salana pre-sale is launching soon. They've already raised over $8 million. One soul will give you 10,000 slot. Again, nice, simple website with, again, a collective goal of taking this cryptocurrency to the moon. We already seen Slurf take over the internet on the Soul chain, and now we're adding another slot themed coin, which is take over the internet. We're seeing a lot of popularity when you have a popular meme coin. Let's use Dog with Hat, for example. We see a ton of other coins replicate the name because that community is just so massive that people want to invest in similar style tokens, and they see massive engagement for having a similar name. I think Salana is doing the same thing, taking advantage of having a similar name and a similar, obviously, mascot, but again, just redoing it in their own way. Join the slots journey from leafy lounges to crypto riches. Pre-sales happening now. Embrace with slot life. Let your soul roar with Salana. Pre-sale spots are limited. And again, Salana being very underrated. We're seeing a ton of potential on Salana. So much money being made. You're not going to want to miss out. From $420 to $420 million with slot. Dive into the pre-sale. Again, I'm going to link all these below. They have a how to buy tab, the frequently asked questions. Looks like tokens will be airdropped to your wallet after the pre-sale is complete. Keep your eye on your wallet for the arrival of slot. Follow the Twitter for further announcements. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Twitter, and we see again 11,000 followers on Twitter, so it's growing quite quickly. We can see they already have some plans to get listed on some decentralized exchanges and centralized exchange listings as well. Very bullish community, and this is something obviously we want to see with a very high engagement. Over 22,000 views on this post, which was posted just 8 hours ago. This one could take the internet by storm. Solana as a whole has been taking the internet by storm, and we're seeing so much potential with these pre-sale gems and these Salana gems, and the whole meme coin season hasn't even fully begun yet. Guys, don't miss out on these solid 3 pre-sale opportunities. I'm gonna go ahead and link them all down below, and let me know in the comments which one you're most bullish for. I think Doge 20 has a ton of potential as it's a dog themed coin. Salana also has a ton of potential because it's on the Salana chain, and the 5scape is a black sheep because they're integrating VR with crypto, something that hasn't really been done yet on scale. I'm very bullish for this 3 project, and I want to know what you think in the comment section below. That pretty much wraps up the video. If you enjoy watching videos like this, you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button down below. Until next time, it's your boy Omar. Peace.